Good morning, kids. Today we will discuss about Roman numerals. Roman numerals, the numbers, the symbols which are used by Roman peoples. So, which numbers we write, that is called Hindu Arabic number, that is normal numbers which we write, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the Hindu Arabic numbers. But when we write these numbers in form of symbols or in alphabets, this is called Roman numerals, and these symbols are used by Romans. So there are 7 symbols for writing the Roman numerals. Here are I, V, X, L, C, D and M. I means 1, V for 5, X for 10, L for 50, C for 100, D for 500, M for 1000. So we use these 7 symbols to write all the numbers. So we can write any number by using these symbols. So how can we write? Here are the 1 to 10 numbers. How can we write in Roman numerals? 1 I, 2 1 2 I, 1 I 2 I, 3 I, 4 I and 4, I and V, 5 V, 6 V and I, 7 V I, 8 V I, 9 I and X, and 10 for X. So everybody knows we write 4 like this, I and V, and 9 like this, X, I and X. So here it is. Now the 15. How will you write 15 as Roman numerals? So 15 you can write 10 plus 5. 15 you can write 10 plus 5. So 10, X for 10, V for 5. So XV is for 15. Same here for 19. We can write 10 plus 9 for 19. So X for 10, 9, IX for 9. So XIX 19, we can write XIX. Now for 30, 10, 10, 10. You can write 30 like this, 10 plus 10 plus 10. So here it is 1x, 2x and 3x. So 3x for 30. Now 4. Why 4? 4 you can write 5 minus 1. So for 5 we can write V. We write V for 5 and I for 1. So we write which number we want to subtract, write on left side. Which number we want to subtract, write on left side. So we want to subtract 1 from 5. So we will write 1 first. So IV it is 4. Same here. If we want to write the 10, then how can we write? 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. So 10 for 10 it is X, for 1 it is I. So I we will write first and then X, because we want to write we want to subtract this I from this X. So we will write I, then we will write X. Clear? So now here is the exercise 1.8. 1.8. Question number 1. Write the numbers in Hindu Arabic numbers. So here it is a number LXXX. So you have to write this number in Hindu Arabic. Here is Roman numeral LXXX, and you have to write this in Hindu Arabic numbers. So how will you write this? L stands for 50, X for 10, then X for 10, then X for 10. So 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. 50, 60, 70, 80. So it is 80. Clear? Now the second example. Here it is MCLIV. This is question number 1. I am giving you, I am doing two sums for you, A and D. So D is MCLIV. So M stands for 1000, C 100, 100, L 50 and IV 4. So 1000 plus 100 1100 plus 50 1150 plus 4 1154. Clear? Now next example, H, question number H, DCCIX. So D stands for 500, C for 100, C for 100 and then IX for 9. IX for 9. So 500 plus 100 plus 100 plus 9, 500, 600, 700 and 9. So the answer is 709. Now question number 2. Roman, write the numbers in Roman numerals. So how will you write numbers in Roman numerals? So example A, 250, 250. So how will you write this number in Roman numerals? So you can write this number like 200 plus 50. 250 you can write like this, expanded form 200 plus 50. So 200 means 100 plus 100. So 100 means C, then another 100 plus C, 100 plus 100, 200 plus 50, L for 50. Clear? CCL, 250 you can write CCL. Clear? Now the another example, 1720. Now next example number D, 1720. In expanded form, how can you write this? 1000 plus 700 plus 20. You can write this like this. You can write 1720 like this. 1000 plus 700 plus 20. So M stands for 1000. 700 you can also expand. 700 means 500 plus 100 plus 100. 700 you can expand. 700 means 500 plus 100 plus 100. 500 stands for D. D stands for 500. Then C for 100. Then C for 100. So 700 you can write DCC. 700 you will write DCC. So for 700 DCC. Then plus 20 X and X for 20. So MDCCXX. MDCCXX for 1720. Now the next example H, 2009. 2009. In expanded form you can write 2000 like 1000 plus 1000 plus 9. Clear? So you can write 1000 plus 1000 plus 9. So M for 1000, another M for 1000 and IX for 9. So the final answer is MMIX. 1000, 2000 and 9. So 2009 MMIX. So these are the Roman numerals. One more thing, we can repeat I, X, C and M. We can repeat these alphabets I, X, C and M. We can repeat these alphabets, but V, L, and D we can't repeat. Clear? And not more than 3 times. 3 times, not more than 3 times. So these are the Roman numerals.